Did you notice water leak issue for your fully automated front-load washing machine like we do? I know how frustrating this will be. If water is dripping out from the bottom side near front legs, then this might be a DIY fix for your problem too. The solution given here might be a fix for you too. Watch till the end and save a lot of bucks on those expensive technician payouts.
Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Explored. This is your host Hari Kishan. I make lots of videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma, interesting facts, which help you and make your life better by saving your valuable time and money. Like, subscribe and share would be highly appreciable.
Let's directly jump into the actual root cause of the problem. This is the washing machine, which is 13 years old. It's a Siemens Model 7 kg fully automatic front loading washing machine, which is placed in my balcony. So of late we have been noticing a leak in the front bottom portion. We were particularly pretty sure that the water was leaking from inside of the pipes. So and we see a lot of rust, as you can see in this video. We thought just closing this rusted part would be helpful for the washing machine so that it stops that. So for this we wanted, and also it was damaging our cardboards which were kept under the washing machine. So as you can see guys, this is the other side of the washing machine leg where it started rusting again, but there's no any leak over here. It was from the other side of the leg here, this one in the video. It also has slowly eaten up a little bit of that white paste, and yeah, this is another shot of that where you can see the water was leaking. So the issue we found, and the solution what we have done is we have taken the end seal, which is readily available in any of the small shops for just 10 rupees each packet. One packet was sufficient for this, so we just took that and then we mixed it well, and you can see this black thing over here is nicely pasted end seal. This is the end seal guys, which I was talking about, end seal Fatafat, which seals joints and fixes any builds. So this is the back side of that, showing the cost and the company who manufactures it. It's just 10 rupees a pack. Everyone can purchase and do that. So this will solve any of your simple drips coming out of any metal joints or any metal things in the washing machine, or it even to some extent fixes your pipes. Yeah, this is me observing from the bottom. So this is one simple fix guys for you guys for any of the leakage problem. Let me tell you, this is a 6-part video. I suggest you to go into my channel and look at all those 6 videos, which are 6 parts, and mostly they are related to the similar kind of washing machine problems, which will give you very good understanding of how to deal with this kind of situations in the future. So this video is going to be very interesting, all these 6 videos, so don't miss on them. Thank you.